Hey YouTubers, this is a special My Home fire alarm system. About a week ago I received a request of how to wire an old Edwards fire pole, so here you go. We start off with the pole station. It gives off a 335 code. It'll be going through my simplex horn. The main power source is a 6-volt Radio Shack battery, and the wires I'm using are these alligator clips over here. So the first step is I'm going to be running the positive current into the pole station. So I'm going to connect it onto the positive side, and that end here in the back is going right onto the wire. Step 2 is I'm going to take the second clip from the going into the positive part of the horn. So the pole station is only connecting the positive. Now that that's in place, I'm going to complete the circuit with a negative going from the battery straight into the horn. Now that that's complete, I have a pretty good looking system. Since it is only a 6-volt battery, it will not be that loud, but you will hear a code. So you pull it, so that's how you wire an old Edwards pole station. Every pole station can be wired like this if you do not have a panel.